my goodness, when I say I'm excited for this one, I am excited for this one. The Fabulous Creatures, and if you, here we go. Da, da. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Lauren. Hi, nice to meet you. I make videos on all kinds of things, beauty, lifestyle, chilling in my pajamas, to antiques, to reactions, to videos about my transition. Girl, this channel has everything you need, so hit that subscribe button for me. I will wait for you. Okay, you're done. Anyways, I'm just being silly. Today we are going to be doing another Swarovski crystal unboxing. Oh my goodness, when I say I'm excited for this one, I am excited for this one. Now, I can't remember how much this was. Although I didn't pay for this. This was a Valentine's present. I can't remember how much it was. So I will find out and I'll put it in there for you because I know you guys like to know prices. And yes, you know what it's from. It's from the Fabulous Creatures. And if you can read this, you'd already know what it is. If you can read different languages, then you'll know what this is. So let's get into it. It comes in the original box. So it comes with like, let me just remove this so it doesn't ruin the surprise unless you already know. But it comes with all this, padding and stuff. Oh, I can't even show you. The other one didn't come with this. It just came in the box. So yeah, look, it's really cool how they package it. Sorry, I'm kind of like jumping ahead of myself. It's really cool how they package it. Now this piece is something that I'm very excited for and is very special to me. It's something that I saw and I wanted. I was like, girl, I need this in my collection. It's in my life. And he was like, yeah, one day, whatever. Didn't think he was really paying attention. Valentine's Day comes, girl. And this was wrapped up for me. So, are you ready to see what this is? Are you ready to see what this is? P.S. Are you living for my look today? Are you into it? I feel like I'm giving you Chanel business executive realness, honey. Anyways, no thumbnail vibes. So, here we go. It comes in the box. It's the SCS Swarovski Crystal Society, so it's a limited edition once again. We are into the limited editions, honey. And it's from the same collection that the unicorn is from. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to link it above. Anyway, you're probably like, Lauren, just show me the friggin' crystal. So, here we go. In here, we have the Pegasus. Here we are. He is the most gorgeous little horsey I have ever seen in my life. I'll give you a full view of him. So he has a frosted tail and a frosted mane. And he is beautiful. And his wings, look at how big his wings are. The size of this wingspan. Absolutely amazing. I'll just put fingerprints all over him. Sorry, guys. Let me show you this against a dark background. I have this skirt, which I could show you against, just so you get the full idea. Absolutely gorgeous. I want to try and give you all the details. Here we are. She's focusing on the Pegasus. And you might be thinking, her legs are a bit weird. Well, I'm going to show you why her legs are like this. So, what can I show you on? I'll show you on this box here. So, you could have her stand like this, which is fine. But then her tail is actually built so she stands like that. How frigging amazing. So she's like, no, flipping her hair back. I'll show you the picture on her certificate. Here we are, see? Try and hold her. I need to try and hold her so you, there we are. So you can see the certificate and you can see the real thing. Absolutely amazing. So thank you so much for this little gift, because he is well loved and well appreciated, and we are well on our way to collecting all of the what's it called again? I forgot. Oh, Fabulous Creatures? I think it's Fabulous. We're well on the way to, what is wrong with me? We are well on the way to collecting all of the Fabulous Creatures collection from the SCS collection. How many times can you say collection? Take a shot. But with this, there's only one more thing left to collect, and this is the dragon, which is this one here. So I need to collect the dragon, and then I have all 3 of the Fabulous Creatures collection. I also found out that they do plaques for these collections. You get little plaques. So I'm on the lookout on eBay for one for a good price. And if I find one, I'm definitely going to pick it up. Because just think how fab to have the 3 of them all displayed together with the plaque. And they also all come with individual stands as well. I'll just give you a bit more. I don't know if I gave you enough viewing time. So nothing wrong with a little bit more. She is beautiful. Hopefully you guys are enjoying my Swarovski crystal collection gathering videos. Hopefully you are enjoying them. And if you are, please give the video a like. And until next time, my lovely people, take care. And I'll see you all very soon. Bye.